Hey there, today we're diving into the fascinating world of computer networks. Imagine a highway with cars zooming around. Now imagine if there were no traffic rules, no lanes, just pure chaos. That's what it would be like without media access control, or MAC for short. MAC is like the traffic cop of computer networks, making sure data packets, those little bits of information, get to their destination without any nasty collisions. Just like traffic lights and road signs keep things flowing on the highway, MAC protocols ensure smooth communication between devices. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming your favorite shows, or just sending an email, MAC is working behind the scenes, directing the data flow. It's the unsung hero of the digital world, keeping everything connected and running smoothly. So next time you're online, take a moment to appreciate the magic of MAC. It's the reason we can all share the digital highway without crashing into each other. Now let's talk about Aloha, not the Hawaiian greeting, but a groundbreaking technology that revolutionized the way we connect. Born in the sunny paradise of Hawaii in the 1970s, the Aloha protocol was one of the first attempts to solve the problem of sharing a communication channel. Picture this: a bunch of computers on different islands, all wanting to send data over a single radio channel. It was like a party where everyone's trying to talk at the same time. The Aloha protocol was invented to bring some order to this chaotic communication. Developed at the University of Hawaii, Aloha was a game changer. It was simple, elegant, and laid the foundation for the wireless networks we rely on today. It's amazing how a technology inspired by the laid-back vibe of Hawaii ended up shaping the future of communication. So how does this Aloha thing actually work? Imagine you're at a beach party and everyone's trying to get the attention of the person selling coconuts. In the Aloha protocol, each computer is like a party-goer with a coconut to sell. When a computer wants to send data, it simply transmits it into the shared channel, like shouting out to the coconut seller. If only one computer transmits at a time, great, the data gets through. But if two or more computers transmit simultaneously, their data packets collide like two people shouting at the same time. This collision garbles the data, and nobody gets their coconut. Don't worry, Aloha has a plan for that. If a computer doesn't hear an acknowledgement from the receiver after a certain time, it knows a collision occurred. It then waits for a random amount of time before trying again. It's like taking a step back, letting others have a turn, and then trying to get that coconut again. Section 4. Aloha's legacy: the good, the bad, and the collision-y. Aloha was groundbreaking, no doubt. Its simplicity and elegance were revolutionary. It was like the first time someone brought a cooler full of drinks to a beach party. Pure genius. But like any good party, Aloha had its limitations. The biggest problem? Collisions. As more computers joined the network, the chances of collisions increased, leading to delays and wasted bandwidth. It's like having a beach party with 1,000 people all wanting coconuts at the same time. Pure chaos. Despite its limitations, Aloha paved the way for improvements. Researchers realized they needed to refine the protocol to reduce collisions and improve efficiency. This led to the development of slotted Aloha, where time was divided into slots, and computers could only transmit at the beginning of a slot. Think of it as the coconut seller designating specific times for people to buy coconuts. More organized, fewer collisions. Section 5. From Aloha to Wi-Fi. A family affair. Aloha may seem like a distant relative of today's Wi-Fi, but the connection is undeniable. The core principles of Aloha, like sharing a communication channel and dealing with collisions, are still present in modern networking protocols. It's like the difference between a beach bonfire and a high-tech music festival. The vibe is different, but the essence of bringing people together remains the same. Today, carrier sense, multiple access with collision avoidance, or CSMACA, the foundation of Wi-Fi, uses a more sophisticated approach to avoid collisions, but the underlying principle of sharing a medium is a direct descendant of Aloha. Aloha's legacy lives on, not just in Wi-Fi but in countless other wireless technologies that connect us today. It's a reminder that even in the ever-evolving world of technology, sometimes the simplest ideas can have the most profound impact. So the next time you connect to Wi-Fi, remember the pioneers who made it possible, those who dared to dream of a connected world inspired by the spirit of Aloha.